Konnichiwa, everyone. Welcome back to Imagenish. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Japanese cuisine to explore a fascinating ingredient, the Kuruma Ebi, also known as Japanese tiger prawn. Get ready for a culinary adventure as we uncover unknown facts about this delectable crustacean. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting content. Brief introduction to Kuruma Ebi. So, what exactly is Kuruma Ebi? Well, it's a species of shrimp native to Japanese waters, and its name, Kuruma, actually means carriage in Japanese. Legend has it that the shrimp's appearance resembles a traditional Japanese carriage wheel, hence the name. Culinary importance. Kuruma Ebi is highly prized in Japanese cuisine for its sweet, succulent meat and firm texture. Chefs love to showcase its natural flavors, making it a star ingredient in various dishes, from sashimi to tempura. But did you know that this prawn is also used in traditional Japanese New Year's celebrations? It symbolizes longevity and prosperity, making it a must-have for festive feasts. Here's an interesting fact about Kuruma Ebi, the sustainable harvesting methods employed in Japan. The fishing of Kuruma Ebi is strictly regulated to ensure the preservation of the species and its natural habitat. This commitment to sustainability not only protects the environment but also ensures a steady supply of this delicious delicacy for generations to come. Take a closer look at the Kuruma Ebi, and you'll notice its unique appearance. With a distinct bluish-gray color and a signature hump on its back, it stands out from other shrimp varieties. The vibrant color comes from the prawn's diet, which includes a variety of marine organisms. It's truly a feast for the eyes as well as the palate. Beyond its culinary uses, the Kuruma Ebi holds cultural significance. In Japanese art and folklore, it is often depicted as a symbol of strength and resilience. The prawn's ability to withstand strong currents and its determined forward movement are seen as admirable traits, inspiring many aspects of Japanese culture. Now, let's talk about the fascinating molting process of Kuruma Ebi. These prawns, like many other crustaceans, undergo molting to grow. What's unique is that during this phase, they shed their exoskeleton and are incredibly vulnerable. To protect themselves, they often retreat to hidden spots, showcasing a delicate side rarely seen in the hustle of the underwater world. Prawn parenting. Did you know that Kuruma Ebi are devoted parents? After mating, the female prawns carry their eggs underneath their bodies until they hatch. The female, with her eggs attached, resembles a carriage, perhaps another reason behind the name. This maternal care is not only heartwarming but also ensures the survival of the next generation of these incredible crustaceans. One of the reasons chefs adore Kuruma Ebi is the purity of its flavor. Unlike some other seafood, Kuruma Ebi has a clean and distinct taste, making it a favorite for those who appreciate the natural essence of seafood. The minimal preparation required to highlight its flavor is a testament to the quality of this delectable prawn. Here's an unexpected twist. Beyond its culinary delights, Kuruma Ebi is believed to have potential health benefits. In traditional Japanese medicine, some practitioners suggest that certain compounds in the prawn may have anti-inflammatory properties and could contribute to overall well-being. While more research is needed, it's intriguing to think that this delicious dish might offer more than just a delightful dining experience. Passing down knowledge through generations is a cherished tradition, and the same goes for the fishing communities that rely on Kuruma Ebi. The wisdom of when and where to catch these prawns, handed down from experienced fishermen, plays a crucial role in sustaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem and ensuring a continued abundance of this culinary treasure. Believe it or not, Kuruma Ebi aren't just skilled swimmers, they're also accomplished architects. When creating their homes, these prawns exhibit impressive engineering skills by constructing intricate burrows in the sandy ocean floor. In Japan, the appreciation for Kuruma Ebi is not limited to its taste alone. The timing of its availability is essential, and it's often associated with seasonal celebrations. The appearance of Kuruma Ebi on the dining table is not just a culinary event but a cultural marker, signaling the arrival of a specific time of year and the festivities that come with it. Delve into the past, and you'll discover that Kuruma Ebi has been a part of Japanese culinary traditions for centuries. It's a testament to the enduring appeal of Kuruma Ebi throughout Japan's rich cultural history. Versatile in the kitchen. While Kuruma Ebi is often associated with traditional Japanese dishes, its versatility extends far beyond. Chefs around the world have embraced this flavorful ingredient, incorporating it into various cuisines and styles. From pasta dishes to fusion creations, the adaptability of Kuruma Ebi makes it a global culinary sensation. Kuruma Ebi exhibits a remarkable diversity in its genetics, contributing to its ability to thrive in various marine environments. The adaptability of these prawns ensures their resilience against changing conditions, making them a resilient and sustainable resource for both fishermen and seafood enthusiasts. If you have any favorite Kuruma Ebi dishes or stories, share them in the comments below.